One last time. What up, guys? Welcome back. Not one last time, but second last time in our base, because actually this time this is gonna be our last sortie from this base with the S14 Tomcat here, as we are having a mission with Monster Energy and Petrol gas stations. So we haven't found a new workshop yet, but we're gonna talk more about it. And today it's all gonna be about having fun, having hopefully not freezing our asses off. It's like really cold. Hopefully this baby here can withstand some excessive cold weather, but yeah, it's all good. So one last sortie from the Squadron base here at Autobaza. Let's go. Have some snow outside, or ice, whatever. Winter tires ready on the Tomcat. Not. Okay. We are heading to all brand new Petrol gas stations here in Ljubljana, actually at Ljubljana's ring. We have a two-day event. Today we're gonna be at Barje Jug, tomorrow Barje Sever gas station. Stationed as mentioned together with Monster Energy. Landed here at Petrol gas station, Ljubljana Barje Jug, with one and only Monster Energy. We have our Tomcat here, of course, Monster brought their truck, of course, and yeah, we are here to promote fresh on the market Monster Energy, original taste, but zero sugar. You could saw that already with us in one of the stories in December. And they managed to pull out actually the same taste, like the same flavor as the original, only with no sugar. And I can say that the taste is like really close. For me it's the same. And yeah, people coming by, getting some free drinks, chatting and taking some photos. Yeah, this day are here, and tomorrow we see us across the highway on other gas station, which is Barje Sever, and they're like completely newly built gas stations here in Ljubljana. They're big, they're modern, yeah. Alright, so just after finishing up the, wow, it's super echoey. After finishing up the 2-day event with Monster Energy at the Petrol gas station, we immediately started packing the rest of the workshop, which was a lot. It was not just the stuff here in these 4 spaces. We had some platforms here and platform there with a lot of spare parts and tires and wheels and whatnot. So it was like 7 straight days of 12-hour shifts to empty and clean up the space. It's a bit emotional because we spent the last 4 years here and a lot of stuff went through here, and as well the place went through several transformations to fulfill our needs. Actually we finished our S14 RB25 swab in here with its quite some projects, JDM projects, maintaining our cars, maintaining your or other customer cars and stuff like that. Built a couple of exhaust systems with Sunny. I don't know what to say exactly. I think I look exhausted as hell, and you can tell that we were working our asses off to empty the space on time. First startup, or is it?
Okay, that's nice.
Oh man!
That's a nice sound.
Come here, man, I'm gonna cry. What's next? We don't know what's next. So all the stuff went on various locations. So thanks to everybody helping us out with their empty spaces. As well, emptied my dad's garage. So had to put one of the cars outside on cold, but that doesn't matter as long as we have space to store some stuff. So yeah. We don't have a new space yet, and I'm not sure, and I cannot tell, how the things will unroll. We are looking, we are meeting with different owners of different locations, but it's super tough. I can tell you that, especially because budget is not unlimited. If the budget was unlimited, we would probably not be here at the first place, or we would be like in a much bigger space. You know, everybody's dreaming of a freaking huge garage that, yeah, like Need for Speed, Fast and Furious style sizes that you can park in, I don't know, 50 cars and work on all of them at the same time. Yeah, I don't know. Keep following us and we will unveil some details pretty much soon. And thanks to all actually who are helping us finding a suitable space. There is a lot of you guys reaching out to us with some ideas or connections or whatever. Unfortunately, we are not there yet. Yeah, it's really limited. I don't know what happened in the last couple of years, because before we were moving here, we were searching a place here in Ljubljana, like you could actually pick on which part of Ljubljana you want to go, and today there's more or less nothing there. So yeah, keep fingers crossed for us that we find a suitable place soon and we kick off the season, we do some competition, we do some events, we have fun with you guys, and yeah, what can I say? So, just left a little souvenir here. Whoever takes over this place, enjoy it. Goodbye to this place, and hopefully we see us in the next place. We're gonna throw some opening party for sure, so stay tuned with our content. Till next time, I don't know when this is gonna be. See ya!